Ethereum truly is a highest level mintable coin with a ticker ETH that truly has a current worth of $3,528.66 and a market capitalization of $423,717,818,655. Digital currencies really have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. These days, it's a resource class that sort of is considerably managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate, or so they really thought. Some huge speculation banks in any event, in every practical sense, obtain Ethereum and kind of other cryptographic forms of money as a group to explicitly safeguard their resources under administration arm against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, now is the right time to, in every practical sense, uncover our short, mid, and by and large long-haul expectation of the advancements on the ETH market that generally depend on the readings of our truly remarkable crypto unpredictability record that essentially assists us with measuring the market opinion and explicitly expect where in which the market means to go, in spite of mainstream thinking. At this point, the cost of Ethereum for the most part is $3,528.66. While the coin presently for the most part winds up at second spot in every way that really matters, by and large positioning. The said especially positioning truly is assessed based on the resource's current value that is duplicated by its kind of current market capitalization, a recipe that in a real sense is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients by and large get the most pertinent information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios amazingly. It's likewise essential to generally consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading. On Walk 17, the cost of Ethereum for the most part was at $3,520.70 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change in every way that really matters added up to 360% in an essentially significant manner. 7 days prior on Walk 11, ETH sort of was esteemed at $3,884.04, and that really intends that from that point forward, the cost in every practical sense has for the most part changed by 0%, which fundamentally is very huge. A month prior, on February 18, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $2,805.34. Thusly, the coin generally has taken a 24.89% action to arrive at its kind of present standings in an unpretentious manner essentially. Notwithstanding, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the, truth be told, entirely factor that we consider while making the cost forecast, or so they really thought. It's likewise essential to especially keep a sort of sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to really have an especially clear perspective on where the market by and large is going. The examination of market capitalization really conveys especially equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology basically is utilized to decide the general position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks. For example, in a very enormous way, as a matter of fact, changes in market capitalization, positive or negative truly, are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could truly be going, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both pretty short and truly long-haul points of view, or so they in every way that really matters thought. This sort of specific in every way that really matters metric basically is likewise used to check the strength of Ethereum comparable to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. To truly decide the especially current market capitalization of ETH, we explicitly duplicate the circling supply, the boundary that will in every practical sense be by and large made sense of later, by the very present worth of the digital money under survey in an in every way that really matters significant way. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum sort of stands at $423,717,818,655, which shapes the reason for its in every practical sense present pretty positioning that in a real sense was referenced before. Yesterday on Walk 17, ETH really had a market capitalization of $422,768, so 76,917 in an unobtrusive manner. Keep going week on Walk 11, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to sort of was recorded at $466,479,844,625 in an extremely significant manner. A month prior, on February 18, the market worth of Ethereum in a real sense was surveyed to, for the most part, be $337,105, $905,852. Kind of additional appearance how some by and large huge speculation banks, even for the most part, secure Ethereum and certainly other digital currencies as a group to safeguard their resources under administration arm against the running expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in an unobtrusive manner. Absolute Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that really have proactively been delivered by different means, for example through mining, which explicitly is genuinely huge. These digital currencies can be utilized either for essentially dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers in an unpretentious manner. This sort of measurement likewise figures the coins that certainly have been progressively transitioned away from through the cycle called consuming, which by and large is applied to control the expansion rate, which generally is genuinely huge. At this point, in every practical sense, all-out supply of Ethereum explicitly is laid out at 120s a 78,892 ETH in an essentially enormous manner. Ultimately, the flowing stock certainly is utilized to compute the market capitalization, and in every way that really matters, survey the coins by and large current remaining in the positions, which essentially is very critical. It signifies the by and large, generally speaking, measure of ETH that in every practical sense is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that, all things considered, are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly, for the most part, put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown in an unobtrusive manner. It's by and large in every practical sense accepted that digital currencies that have a circling supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for long-haul venture, since they in a real sense are generally commonly prone to see the value in esteem over a drawn-out time frame, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an especially significant manner. At this crossroads, Ethereum truly has a flowing stock of 120s a 78,892 coins in a genuinely enormous manner. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of 21,257,831,417, which generally is very critical. Yesterday, on walk 17, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $21,189,742,570 in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on walk 11, how much ETH that by and large was traded between market members generally was assessed at $15,781,795,166 in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, for the most part, comes an opportunity to buy and large make sense of exhaustively the embodiment of the crypto instability record CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to basically predict the way that Ethereum will generally follow over the course of the following 1 to 5 years, which truly is very huge. CVIX truly is the consequence of the fastidious work of our group of market specialists and programming engineers that surfaced with a very novel recipe for checking and envisioning the normal market unpredictability